So we have a problem today where we are going to calculate the number of atoms involved in a chemical reaction, specifically the number of atoms found in the products of a chemical reaction. We're going to go ahead and add 6 moles of CO2 gas to 6 moles of liquid water, and in return we are going to get 1 mole of glucose plus 6 moles of oxygen gas. Now, given 20 moles of CO2 and 20 moles of H2O, how many atoms are we going to go ahead and find in the product? So right away, we know that the amount of moles in the product is equal to, so the amount of mole in the product, the amount of atoms, I should say, in the product is going to be equal to the amount of atoms in the reactants. And this is a simple conservation of mass idea. So we're going to just start off with calculating the number of atoms in our reactants, and that will give us the number of atoms in our products. So we know that we have 20 moles of CO2, and then we're going to multiply this times the number of atoms in one molecule of CO2, and then we'll take this times Avogadro's number, which states that there are 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules or atoms, depending on what we're working with, to 1 mole. And this gives us a value of 3.6132 times 10 to the 25 atoms of CO2. Now, as we can see here, CO2 has 3 atoms in the molecule. Water also happens to have 3 atoms in the molecule. So, as you can see from this equation here, the amount of water molecules, or atoms in the water molecules, will be equal to the amount of atoms that are carbon dioxide. So our final answer will just be this value times 2. And that will give us the amount of atoms in our reactants, which, as stated previously, is equal to the amount of atoms found in our products.